This is my meiosis and variation video. So we start off with 6 chromosomes, 3 from the dad and 3 from the mom. These chromosomes come from the egg and the sperm. And to start off meiosis, we begin with prophase 1. And our chromosomes have already been duplicated. So now they need to pair up with another chromosome. And these pairs will be called homologous chromosomes. And they are called homologous chromosomes because they carry the same genes and are the same size. So, for example, this green chromosome could not pair up with any of the other chromosomes because they have different genes and they are different sizes. But this green chromosome could have paired up with another green chromosome because it's all random. So, in this scenario, every chromosome paired up with another yellow chromosome, but it's not always like that. A green chromosome could have paired up with another green chromosome. So after we have our homologous chromosomes, the homologous chromosomes pair up with another homologous chromosome to form a tetrad. And here we have our tetrad. And this is where a cross connection occurs. So when the crossing over occurs, this is when our two homologous chromosomes trade segments with each other. So this would be the green chromosome will be trading its A gene with the yellow one. And same thing with the H and the H and the I with the I. So we end up with this here on the right, and we have our new chromosomes and they all have a new variation. So now it's time for our cell to divide. So we have our imaginary line, and the chromosomes are now on, they now have lined up, and the cell will split. Okay, now that the cell has split, so this is the same. This is the same thing. Now it's just shortened on the slide. So now we are in meiosis 2, and this is very similar to mitosis. Well, this is same as mitosis. So we have our chromosomes, and they will now line up, and they will be split. And there is no real line here. This is imaginary line. And then it will create 2 more new cells. This cell will do the same, and we will end up with 4 cells, and these are haploid cells, and they're haploid because they only have 1 set of chromosomes and not 2, not in pairs, like a diploid cell. And we have 4 of these, and these are our gametes, our reproductive cells. And that is the process of meiosis.